RAMP, Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance, is a World Bank supported scheme. It's one of a kind initiative which focuses on the entire MSME ecosystem with two important key result areas. One being institutional strengthening, and the other being enhancing firm capabilities by focusing on various areas and challenges of MSMEs. This includes traditional areas, which is access to finance, access to market, technology upgradation, skilling and capacity building, and emerging challenges like adapting to new technologies, AI enablement, being part of export value chains, and greening towards sustainability of MSMEs. One significant aspect about RAMP is that it has created a strong bridge between the center and states, a true picture of cooperative federalism, where the approach is not just creating policy for states, but actually states have created customized plans for enhancing their own MSME ecosystem, which is just amazing and helped us to understand the nuanced need of different sectors across different geographies. Telangana state has made exceptional progress in achieving the goals of RAM, truly turning into a role model for other states to follow. Now there are other various schemes under RAM which focuses on much needed interventions. While Team scheme focuses on enabling MSEs to do e-commerce, ODR scheme focuses on strengthening delayed payment mechanism. GIFT scheme focuses on interest subvention on green technologies, and SPICE focuses on capital subsidy for circular economy. RAM has also worked in enhancing TREAD's platform, addressed information asymmetry, and developed coordination between state industrial bodies, state agencies, and central bodies and agencies. RAMP, we believe, would be a watershed for MSME ecosystem in all times to come.